Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back. Sorry, girl. I'll open the door for you. Want to come on the camera? Want to say hello? Say hello, YouTube. Hello. The camera's over here. Over here, girl. Okay, girl. Over this way. Hello. I think she wants to say goodbye, though. Goodbye, yeah. Goodbye. I think I'm still recording. I'd like to fold this edge over this beam that's behind here, which would be easier to do with some leverage. So I'm not going to cut it an inch over and try to bend it an inch. I'm just going to cut this whole thing and then see if I can bend it and then cut it. See how it goes.
Out there?
I don't know. She was at one point, but I don't know where she is now. And now I have something flame-proof to mount the two Growatts onto. They're supposed to be 4 inches apart. This gives it like 4.5 inches, but should work pretty well. I got to put some supports in the back of this. Everything else is wood now, so done making a metal loud mess. I have to bolt it to the floor of the bus and flatten it first, and then attach it. Otherwise it's just gonna turn the hinge into a spring or a smiley face. Four of those and 2 of those, and I can assemble this top part now. Oh, it's the wrong sides. Paper towels. I'll let that glue all foam up and get ugly and come back in a couple hours, sand it down and prime and paint it. And I don't know if I'll get it in the bus today because of the priming and painting, but I should be able to install all this stuff tomorrow. That's going to come in handy. We have our washing machine installed back here now. I'm going to install this board that I have all trimmed out for here. The electrical panel is going to go on top of here. Then the two Growatts are going to go here. The new piece I've been making is going to fit right in front of here with the two Growatts on it, and then the wires and stuff for here can run behind that. I need to keep this panel removable and accessible, so that's really the hardest part of all of this, is this MCAS system up here that I just kind of got to leave alone. I'll nut and bolt the panel on, and I'll make sure the panel gets into the steel. I'm not that concerned, but the panel will be through 2 sheets of 1/4 inch now. I didn't trust just 1 sheet of 1/4 inch. 2 of them, 1/2 inch of plywood seems like a lot sturdier to screw into. Panel. Honey, can you hand me the electrical pan?
Larger than a kitten.
About like that. We have to mount this other wall first because this could get moved by I want it up to that other wall, and I want to make sure the other wall can swing down and not hit the washing machine. Cut this duct out. There used to be duct right here. You can see where it's cut out. This duct went the whole way, and it was the same on the other side. So I cut out this duct to give him more headroom, otherwise it was down here all the way up. But I didn't cut out this duct, and he stuffed stuff in there. He used it as storage.
That duct goes all the way through?
The duct goes all the way through the back of the box.
We're at the Patsy Cline plane crash memorial site today while we are in Tennessee, and it's a very beautiful place. Andy was not impressed with the silence beyond this point sign. I thought it was great, and I even took my shoes off and put my feet in the earth.
I wanted to talk.
It's I like the silence for what you're going there for. It's really nice. I like that idea that they put that sign up.
Yeah. What surprised me was
Mr. Afraid to be alone with his thoughts.
this happened in 1996, and so that meant it happened after I graduated from Dunwoody, and I don't even know what happened.
You may have seen the look on my face there. I'm not even sure I knew exactly what to say at that moment, because I didn't say anything to Andy, because I was unaware that somebody didn't know who Patsy Cline was. I didn't know Andy didn't know who Patsy Cline was. I listened to her music. I've sang her songs around the house. I bust now, but I had no idea he didn't know who she was. That just blew me away. But what threw him was he didn't really read the sign at the beginning. I don't know if you caught the sign that talked about what happened, but there was a big rock at the end of the trail that had like silk flowers around it and stuff, and on the rock there was a carving that we actually went back and looked at it, and it does have the real actual date on it, but it also at the bottom said in loving memory July whatever 1996. That's when the rock was carved and placed, and that was the only date that Andy remembered. Oh, look, there's a bug over there. I don't know how I'm doing.
No, you don't.